Hello, welcome back to the channel Tech Concept with Ume. In this video, we're going to be talking about the concept of big data analytics. Notably, notwithstanding what type of industry, enterprise, or job role that you operate in, you can amply benefit from the application of big data analytics. Before I go any further, I want to request that you subscribe to the channel. If you look to the bottom right of the viewport that this video is being displayed on, you will see a red subscription watermark. If you take your mouse and hover around the watermark, a subscription button will appear. Please do well to hit the subscription button. Also, please hit the like icon, as increased likes will prompt YouTube to recommend the videos on the channel more. It is no secret that credible intelligence is one of the lifelines of successful enterprises. Put plainly, credible intelligence supports decision making, reduces risk, enhances operational efficiency, and sustains competitive advantage for all types of organizations. Big data analytics, when derived correctly, is one of the ways of extracting credible intelligence. First, a little introduction to the concept of big data analytics. Succinctly put, big data analytics refers to the process of extracting insights from very large volumes of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, revealing hidden patterns, trends, and correlations using statistical, computational, and machine learning techniques. Before we break down this concept, it may help to amply describe the concept of big data. Big data is the capture of huge amounts of structured and unstructured data by organizations. Characteristically, big data cannot be effectively processed using traditional database management and analytics tools. Big data is typically characterized by 5 V's. These include velocity, variety, volume, veracity, and value. Velocity highlights the speeds at which such data can be collected, given advances in network speeds and types of objects capable of producing, collecting, and transmitting digital data. Variety underscores the fact that the potential data to be analyzed will be represented in a variety of forms, e.g., structured, semi-structured, and unstructured forms. Volume is indicative of the huge amounts of information that can be collected. Veracity speaks to the extent to which collected information can be relied on to produce credible insights. Value considers the potential usefulness of the insights that can be derived from data. Now, back to analytics. If you are observant, you may have noted that the keywords in our definition of big data analytics include hidden patterns, trends, and correlations. This implies that analytics focuses on identifying recurring instances, associated concepts, and non-obvious relationships that reveal predictability. Such capabilities enable organizations to customize services for specific patrons, perform customer segmentation, support predictive equipment maintenance, and proactively detect digital financial fraud. For instance, for an e-commerce company, a user's navigation patterns on the e-commerce website tracked through cookies, pages and links visited, prior purchases, items added to the cart, and products shared on social networks can be analyzed to identify preferences and predict future interests. This enables the e-commerce company to generate customized product recommendations for that user. For businesses, this enables more accurate and data-driven decisions on lead prioritization, customer preferences, and product focus. Consequently, organizations are willing to invest heavily to obtain such insights. It is instructive to note that an organization does not need to be large or financially buoyant to apply analytics. Even in the absence of big data infrastructure, organizations can employ analytics by systematically collecting and analyzing operational data to identify patterns and trends in their business processes, thereby supporting more informed and effective decision making. For example, by systematically and repeatedly collecting and analyzing data on customer visitation patterns, service costs, chemical prices, and customer perceptions, the owner of a small dry cleaning business in Nigeria can generate evidence-based insights into demand trends, cost efficiency, pricing strategies, and service quality, thereby supporting more informed managerial decisions. With our dry cleaning business example, let's use customer visitation patterns to demonstrate the value of analytics. By collecting and analyzing data on customer visitation patterns, the owner of the dry cleaning business can identify peak and off-peak days and make informed staffing decisions. For instance, if Tuesdays are consistently an off-peak day, the owner may reduce the number of part-time staff scheduled for that day, thereby optimizing staff utilization and lowering labor costs without compromising service quality. As a second example, recurrent data capture may reveal that customers consistently complain about the amount of time it takes to have their clothes dry cleaned after drop-off. This insight suggests to the owner that the turnaround time of the dry cleaning process requires closer analysis and potential improvements. In conclusion, big data analytics relies on large and diverse data sets to extract non-obvious patterns, trends, and correlations using statistical, computational, and machine learning techniques. These analytics are invaluable as they generate insights in areas such as customer segmentation, product association, predictive equipment maintenance, and digital financial fraud detection, among others. Again, I should emphasize that an organization does not have to wait until they have the capacity to handle big data to engage in analytics. They can begin by observing and recording recurring patterns and deriving insights from such recorded patterns, and then over time, and if the need arises, when they develop sufficient capacity to handle big data, then they can graduate to perform big data analytics. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like icon. Until the next video, it's goodbye for now.